This is my morning gua sha routine. I have been doing this every morning consistently for a year. If you want to see the before photo, just click that comment and watch that video to see the transformation. There's some amazing gua sha routines on TikTok. This is just what I do and what has worked great for me. So first I start with an oil. Use any oil that your face tolerates or that you have on hand. I'm using the clearance treatment oil here. You can use baby oil, vitamin E oil, honestly, just anything works great, but you really want that glide. So I first start on the neck along my lymph nodes, then I move on to the jawline. Obviously do both sides. I'm just showing one side here, so the video is a little bit shorter. And I do about 5 to 8 passes on each section of my face. Here's the cheekbone. Obviously really important for me. I got big cheeks, we got to define those. And then the eye area, oh my gosh, my under eye bags are so bad. That's the newborn life. And then we move on to like the eye area. So this is like for like sinus pressure, or if you just wake up with really puffy eyes, this is really good. So I go up the bridge of the nose, shake it at the top of the bridge of the nose, and then extend along my eyebrow. This right here has been great to like lift my eyes. My mom has hooded eyes. I'm starting to get hooded eyes a little bit, so I feel like that's really helped. And then I drain everything along my lymph nodes. I do this probably like 10 times just to really drain everything. And then I go along my collarbone and release into that lymph node over there. And that's it.